Hey, can you get inside? I am inside.
They're right in front of you. You gotta pull back. Is there any out there?
I don't see any. We got a couple guys in the tower.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we got 2 down there too.
I got 2 in the back.
2 in the back.
On the rock wall. Where's that coming from?
That's coming from the tower, bro. Alright, we gotta get the f out of here.
I know, I want to go right, but they're behind us in the tower. I think there's some up on that rock wall, though.
There are.
Can't see where. I'd love to be able to get that bunker, but what about that big tree right in front of you?
Okay, there they are, straight ahead.
Where? Whoa.
Right up here.
Hey, somebody watch the tower. We got a man just below it.
I got tower.
Watch the tower. I got left front.
Alright, I got tower.
Communicate with green here. Oh, I think we're clear along the rock wall. Green, I can't see anyone. Hey, get to the wall. I'll watch the tower, Paul. You watch the front left. Yeah. All right, we got some in that back bunker along the rock wall. You go to that tree.
Cover, cover. Where are they?
Bunk in the back.
Some in the back?
Well, it's the same one we were just at.
Alright. I see him.
Yeah.
I got a line on the door. Calling back.
Watch your right side, bro. Got a flank.
Drop down, sweep around, sweep around. Nice. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's it, brother.
I got tower out here.
Watch it, watch your back, watch your back. Get in, get in, get in, get in.
Tower.
They're on the rock wall? Yeah.
They're on the tower, they're on the rock wall in the center.
They're over here too.
They're over here too? Shit.
Alright, you ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1.
I don't see anything. Nothing moving.
All I knew was it was hitting in there. I didn't know which direction. It was hitting right above your head. We're going to go. 3, 2, 1. They've been getting guys out on that rock wall, so I know they're watching it.
They're pushing it, yeah.
Get down. So a couple shots. Conserve your ammo. So go 1, 2.
Yep. Oh, yep. Far right. Yep. He's way up there.
3, 2, 1. How's it looking up there? Are they moving up?
They're moving.
Pretty far back.
They're moving up to the right.
Rock wall, you watch for movement coming down on you!
They're circling us.
Hey, tape team! Move up to the wall!
Okay, yep, they're right.
3,
Dead ahead.
1, go! Woohoo! Come on, top, 3, 2,
Oh, shit. They're running.
Whoa! We got a guy on the plywood right here. Alright, this one here. Pop right in. Yep. 3, 2, watch your left. One moving left to the fence line! Got 2.5 pods left. The guy trying to wear us out right now behind that plywood. You got him? I got him. Hey, what's your name? Ben. Ben? I'm David. Alright, Ben, we're going to do this thing again, alright? You ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! 5 minutes. How's it looking on the right?
Can't see anybody right, but I know they're right in front of us behind.
Behind the birch, just to the right. By the wall, yeah, right there. Just to the right. 10, 3, 2, 1.
Running out of ammo.
We're going to make him fall back. Ready?
Yep. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. You guys make it? You guys make it? Chip?
There's out! There's out!
Thank you. Well, that was fun.
Woo. Go! Hey, one more, brother.
Oh, dude, thanks. Yeah. I know. Ow, dude.
Oh, you always saw your mask.